gentlemen, welcome, 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 welcome. How's everyone doing? All right. Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to another enlightening episode of Thought Matters Podcast. I'm Leroy Glover, your host, and today we're delving into level 24, unity with all life forms. It's a journey into the depths of understanding and connection with the vast tapestry of life around us. In this level, we reach a profound state of being where we embody the essence of unity, embracing the consciousness of all beings and nurturing their well being. Let's explore this fascinating realm. At this level, we establish deep spiritual connections and communication with all life forms. It's about recognizing that every being, every entity carries a unique essence, a spark of consciousness. It's turning into this collective cosmic symphony where each being plays a crucial role and a crucial note. Honoring and understanding that consciousness in every being is a fundamental characteristic of this level. It's about transcending the surface and appreciating the depths of life that exists in all forms, whether it's a majestic tree or a little tiny ant. Nurturing and supporting the well being of all entities is the heart of this level. Let's unfold what this truly means. Level 24, we embody the role of caretaker, nurturing and supporting the well being of all living entities. It's recognizing that the health and harmony of each being contributes to the overall balance of the universe. Here, we resonate with the law of attraction by understanding that what we give to the world, we attract in return. By nurturing the well being of others, we in turn attract positivity and well being into our lives. As we conclude this enlightening exploration of level 24, unity with all life forms, let's remember that this level signifies a profound shift in our consciousness, a shift that brings us closer to the interconnected value and fabric of the cosmos. We must strive to embody these characteristics, for in doing so, we not only elevate ourselves, but also contribute to the harmony and balance of the entire universe. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Stay tuned for more inspiring episodes. I'm Leroy Glover signing off on the Thought Matters podcast. And before we wrap it up, a massive thank you to our incredible sponsor for this episode, La Rosa Negra Travel Dream Vacations. If you're dreaming of a perfect getaway, be sure to connect with the amazing travel specialist, Keisha Cumberbatch, at 703-389-4617. Geisha specializes in creating unforgettable experiences for groups, organizational vacations, and business conference getaways around the globe. Please reach out and start planning your dream vacation today. Until next time, remember, your thoughts matter, and bye for now.